SQL Practice Pro, SQL Practice Pro. So click on this app. So here you can see there is a display screen where you can find different questions. Various questions are given. So here there are 32 questions. Now you can practice. For example, this is a question number 1. Relevant tables are given. Salaries is the table name in which have the values, professor name, department, salary. These are the fields. And the question is, write a query that outputs all of the contents of the table. So here we can type our query, that select. To select everything from a table we use asterisk, and from, and the table name, that is salaries. So after writing this query, once you execute the query, and here's the result. See, this is the result, and you can see their answer also. Select star from salaries. You can copy answer from here to the clipboard, and you can paste it in your Word file. For example, suppose we can open our Word file here like this, MS Word, and let it open. Yeah, here is, we are creating one blank document. So in this one we can then we can paste it. See, it is there, first query. Similarly, now we move on to next question. Next question is salaries, professor name, department, salary. Write a query that returns the name of all the professors in the table. So as you know, here our query is that select professor underscore name, then from clause, from, and then table name, that is salaries. Yeah. So now execute query, and you will get the professor name. Now you can see their answers also. You can copy their answer. You can paste it to our Word file, that is paste it there. This is our second question's answer, which is already solved. Now we again come back to our next question, that is question number 3. Write a query that returns all departments in the table, no duplicates. So we will write select distinct, and here we will write department from table name, that is table name, or table name is salaries. So salaries. Now again execute query, and we got the correct answer, and this is our answer. So now again we can see the answer. Again we can copy answer from here, and we can again paste it to our Word file. and see. So likewise you can prepare your practical file also. These are some of the queries which you can execute and practice. So you can save this file as I would like to save it as SQL practice documents save. So this file is saved, and again you can go to next question. So next question is that write a query that returns the number of professor whose salary is greater than 1,50,000. So I will write this query. Number of professors, so select and count select count professor name, department name, yes. So select count, we can asterisk, where is that, yeah, from table name salaries, where salary is I need to find that greater than symbol. Greater than symbol, which is salary. Where is that symbol here? We need to find other symbols. In our keyboard, where we find that greater than symbol, I need to write. So suppose I try to execute query here. Try again. Here is what your query return, count asterisk 18. Here is what your answer. Count profession name. Okay. We will retry this. Count underscore PROFE professor underscore name NAME name, where salary is salary. I need to find that greater than symbol. Let me check. Greater than symbol. I need to find that symbol which I am not able to find here. In my keyboard, where salary if I write is greater than 1,50,000, execute query. Wasn't a valid query because see, I know that I need to find that salary is a salary equal 1,50,000. If we execute this query, we will find this. So let's see their answer. See, this is exact answer. I am not able to find that greater than sign, but then also I can save this query here. Here it is. We can copy this, paste it. So this is our fourth query, and just I'm trying to find all the symbols. So see, agree try. I need greater than symbol, which I am not able to find here. Where everything underscore pound and there. So from where we can find different symbol, we can just try it out. It is not being displayed. There are so many symbols, but not that greater than symbol I am finding, which I am finding. Can we find it anywhere else? Oh, salary. No. English Hindi keyboard. I'm just trying to find out. It greater than sign. Yes. Now I remember. If I can, is there any shift key? Because yes, this is for capital, this is for small. But where is that? This is for comma. This one. So number 13. We can switch. We have completed this. So we just see, this is their answer. Okay. So likewise, I was not able to. Just I need to find out symbol. These are the symbol. Somewhere I used to find that. This is comma. Everything. But I'm not able to find that greater than sign. But no problem. You can still execute. But that symbol is available in our traditional keyboard. While we used to use shift. Just let me check. Yeah. Okay. I got it. Now we will be able to write the query. I'm very sorry I took this much time. Select count bracket we will write, in this normal bracket we will write professor name, say professor name, and from table name salaries where what is salary is no, see, salary is greater than 150,000. 1 2 3 4, yes. Now execute query. Yes, so we got the correct result here. Now you can see your answer, which is here. So by this you can go to next question also. Our department and their aggregate salary. So I hope you will be able to write this query and the subsequent queries. So please practice this, and I hope you will find this particular app very useful for your practice, and it will clear your basic queries, basic SQL queries concepts. And thank you, and I hope you will enjoy practicing it. Kindly send me your report of your experience, share your experience with me, and